Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your email welcome flow with affiliate links step by step clearly. Start by reviewing your current email welcome flow. Identify the sections where you want to include affiliate links. Select relevant affiliate products that align with your audience's interests. Log into your email marketing platform. Navigate to the automation section where your welcome flow is located. Locate the email you would like to update. Open the email for editing. Decide where to insert the affiliate links within the content. Write engaging copy to encourage readers to click on the links. Highlight the text you want to turn into an affiliate link. Look for the hyperlink button in your email editor. Paste your affiliate link into the URL field. Ensure that the link is functioning by testing it. Consider using tracking parameters for better performance insights. Add any necessary disclaimers about affiliate links for transparency. Review the entire email to check for consistency and coherence. Save your changes once you are satisfied with the update. Test the email by sending a preview to yourself. Ensure the affiliate links are working in the test email. Monitor the performance of your updated welcome flow regularly. Adjust as needed based on engagement and conversion metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.